Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming essentials: power, wall outlet, and the AT&T gateway's LEDs. If the broadband LED is red, unplug the gateway now and leave it off for 30 seconds. This clears transient faults. Once done, plug it back in and watch the boot sequence. Some lights flash, one should turn green. Make sure phone filters are removed or replaced and that any battery backup is disconnected. This prevents false fault states while the gateway reinitializes. You now verify the physical and signal side. Firmly reseat coax, Ethernet and phone cables. Bent pins or loose F connectors cause red lights. Once cables are secure, move the gateway at least 1 meter from cordless phones and microwave ovens. Interference can drop sync. Next, log into the gateway UI using the sticker credentials and review the WAN or DSL status and any error counters. These tell you if the line isn't syncing or if there's a PPP authentication failure, so you know the real fault. You finish by isolating whether it's remote or local. If local steps failed, perform a remote reset from the AT&T app or call support and request a refresh. This reprovisions the line. Once done, test connectivity and check the broadband LED. It should turn green. If it stays red, try a replacement gateway to rule out hardware. If problems persist, record exact LED colors, blink patterns, and the status page readings. Give those details to the
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.